This simple strategy is what I used last week to make over $9,000 in trading profits. Now, if you didn't see my last video, which I posted yesterday, I explained that I made $9,000 last week, simply just trading and looking at a chart for 30 minutes. Now, in this simple strategy, I'm going to show you everyone really should be using this type of strategy because it would definitely help with your win rate. You'll notice if you actually use this strategy, it'll eliminate a lot of the BS trades that you're probably taking that's making you lose. So let's go check it out. Now, we are currently looking at the Bitcoin chart. I mainly live on a 12-hour daily or weekly time frame. That is key for my swing trades. As you can see here on a 12-hour time frame, we were basically stuck in a range. I then identified, our range by showing you these two horizontal lines so you could see that clearly. The key is being patient here. Once we break out of that range, we can see a clear break, and we want to see a retest of that range or price coming back into a premium. Now, a key secret sauce here is you want to identify where that momentum came from. So I'm looking at this top high here and identifying that bottom low. Once I'm able to identify where that momentum came from, for example, this top high here, and I identify that it has this low, we're waiting for a retracement. Once we get that retracement, I want to use my Fibonacci tool. Now, as you can see here, these are my Fibonacci levels. A lot of you guys may have these levels. The 88 is a very special level that I use for a very particular reason, and I talk about that in my course and mentorship. Now, once you identify your range and you see that we've broken out of the range and we come back and retest that range in some sort of level, which you're really looking for a premium or discount level. But since we're looking for sales, we are now in a premium. Now, once we understand we're in a premium, we add some extra sauce to that. And what we're looking for is confirmation. Now, really, the simple strategy is buying or selling in a premium or discount. So you want to be selling in a premium. A lot of you guys will see price come down here and start selling down here and selling down here, and you get caught up when price retraces on you and you're losing that trade. So being patient is key here and waiting for price to come back into a premium level, which we came into the 79% premium level. Now, I have an extra confirmation strategy that I use on like the 1 hour, 15 minute. That allows me to really enter that trade with extreme confidence. Now, I go over that in my course and mentorship, of course. But to keep this video simple, I'm basically looking to get into a trade when we're in a premium or discount. So once I identify that premium level, I'm taking that short to continue down. So once I found my entry, you also have your exits. You can exit right at the bottom of this low, because there's liquidity rested below here. People are buying this level, and there's going to be stops, etc., just liquidity laying there.